Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I have saved up way too much leftover acrylic paint from my recent pours, and it's been sitting here a while. And just to reiterate, this is how I save my paint. So I'll do a painting and then I just take the cup from the dirty pour and I set it on top of another one, let them drain into each other, and eventually I have a cup full of paint. So that's how I do that, for anyone wondering. And it should last a few weeks. This has been in here, I want to say, I don't know, it could have been a month or longer. And it's all different colors and all different kinds of paints as well. So it's definitely overdue to use this paint. The cool thing about doing the leftover paint is, you kind of never know what you're gonna get, since it's just a mixture of, you never know what you're gonna get. Since it's just a mixture of colors from all different projects that you probably generally wouldn't put together. Also, it's a good way to save your paint, so you waste less paint. And lastly, I've noticed that especially if you don't like cells, using leftover paint, I mean, unless it has silicone in it, of course. But using leftover paint can be a great way to get a beautiful painting without cells, since the paint has been sitting there for so long that all the air bubbles go out of it. So, like I said, unless you're using silicone, you shouldn't get any cells. And oh my goodness, I was actually expecting that to be absolutely horrendous, because like I said, the paint's been sitting here for quite a while. This has a lot of metallics in it, I can tell. And I've done a lot of metallic paintings recently. This is actually beautiful. It looks like rainbow sherbet or something. So as usual, let's let this go ahead and sit for a while, see if anything else does happen to develop. And then we'll come back and we will do our close-up. All right, we're back. And we're going to go ahead and do our close-up. So here is the lower right-hand corner, and I just love this. It's so unique. Look at these beautiful ribbons in here. And I don't know if you can tell that it is metallic. Like, it looks like there's a lot of color shift paint in here probably. So that's the lower right-hand corner. Up to the upper right-hand corner, it's kind of like a beautiful, subtle rainbow. So over to the upper left-hand corner. And then down to the lower left-hand corner. This end looks a little more like stone colors, but super cool. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Save your leftover paint and make some fun projects with it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.